Hello guys, so I'm coming with a really quick video. There is a possibility that I could end up doing a voiceover, so you guys may not hear this, or if the noise in the background not too bad, then you will. So right now what I'm doing is I'm just gonna continue what I started showing you guys the other day with the video we recently posted, and this is just finishing that tutu outfit. So I found this this birthday. It was kind of like a part of another shirt, but I made it into a, what would you call this? PNG. So literally it's just the word, and it's not a font. I have no idea what the font is, but if you guys need this, I can send it to you some way, somehow. Just let me know. Maybe you guys can find it on my my Etsy or my Instagram, and we'll go from there. So I have this, and it says pretty much birthday, and then the rest of it. So I have birthday here. I'm gonna go ahead and get my upload as the #1. So basically, an easier way that I found to do is just to find the image and to add it in, because if you were to try to use a #1 from the Cricut files, it won't come out as great. So when it comes to font, so I decided to just get this one from the internet, and that's why I uploaded it. And now I'm just trying to figure out a nice way to add the word happy. You guys can go ahead and play with the fonts as much as you want. I have a hard time remembering what fonts that I downloaded, so it takes me a while to find the fonts that I need, and sometimes I just end up going back and downloading a whole nother font because it's just so hard to keep up and to remember the fonts that I've used. So here I'm looking for a way to put her name. And a good thing that you guys could do on thefont.com is there's a slot where you can put the name, whatever you're trying to type out, and it'll show you exactly how it looks. So I'm looking at a way to spell Ilana, I believe it's pronounced, for the shirt that I'm working on. And it's good to save your projects. Sometimes Cricut crashes, and it deleted my projects before. So back to the basics. I'm gonna go find that font that I recently found. And really, sometimes you have to refresh it. So if you guys are having a hard time finding it, go ahead and refresh it, and it should come up for sure. I'm working on my letter spacing, guys, so if you're starting off new, just know fonts on Cricut, they come out with their letters pretty far apart. You just want to play with the letter space to figure that out as well. And I'm going to look for a star because of the Twinkle Twinkle little star theme. And I'm pretty much satisfied with that. So this will be matching the tutu video that we posted earlier. If you guys want to see that tutu video, the link is in the description. And this is so perfect and so easy if you guys are working on first birthday shirts and you don't know where to start. This is an awesome way to just figure it out. Alright you guys, so from here all you guys really have to do is go ahead and load up your Cricut with your vinyl or whatever else you will be using on this project, and then from there you're going to go ahead and cut it. Make sure that you put it in reverse, and do not forget to send us a picture on Instagram. Go ahead and tag us at the TullyVision, and we would love to support you guys and tell you how great you did. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for following us. We appreciate you guys, and we'll see you next time.